Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a diagonal stretch, reach your right hand across your body towards your left thigh and open diagonally to the right. Continue moving at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, open your right arm diagonally to the right, stretching across your chest. And with each exhale, reach across your body towards your left thigh, stretching through your upper back. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, sweep your left arm open, broadening across your chest. Exhale, sweep your left arm across your body, stretching through your shoulder blades and upper back. Release and return to center. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.